Hello, everyone. We're looking today at metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, which is found in assignment 263. This is the slideshow where you're going to get all the information that you need when you fill out the chart and the accompanying Google Doc, which I think I'm going to have set up through Cami. As we go through it, we see on the first slide, on the second slide, I should say, is information about metals. They give you the properties of metals. They give you some real world examples and they give you some nice pictures. Then the next slide, we have the same stuff about non-metals that you can check out. And of course, the next slide is all about metalloids. And yeah, we've already colored in our periodic tables, which you should have, but here is a nice periodic table that kind of shows you uh, where these elements are found in nature. It doesn't really separate it as far as which ones are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, but it's a nice little periodic table. It's a fun one. And there's a couple terms that you might need to know. Malleable gives you the definition, ductile, and of course, conductivity. And then when you actually go to assignment 263, this is where your notes are. Please take a look at this first page here. It has a lot of information for you that I really do want you to answer. And this is where you put your information about metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. What's the definition of a metal? If you need to go back to the slideshow, please do that. Same thing for nonmetals, metalloids. Give examples. So you're basically just transferring the information that you got. And what are your definitions of malleable, ductile, and conductivity? And then on the last slide, there is a nice little game site to test your knowledge about what you know about all of that. I hope this is helpful and I hope you have fun and I hope that you're taking notes because I want to go back to page one for a second here. I have encouraged you to take notes. I hope that you're bringing a science notebook to class every day. Do you bring a writing utensil? And I strongly recommend a pair of headphones. Anyway, have a good day, everyone.